Welcome to Virtual Gardening 101. This is a place where we dig into the digital soil and reap real results. Let me extend special thanks and appreciation to all the subscribers who have been supporting the channel consistently. If you are viewing the channel for the first time, let me extend a special welcome to you. The festive season is just a few weeks away from us, and I just think it's a very fitting time to share a little about Jerusalem peas or Christmas peas. I'm not sure how many of you know this plant or know the peas, but stick around and I'm sure you'll learn something. I have been trying to get rid of this plant for the longest while because of its growth pattern. It tends to spread very fast and will blanket an area if you allow it to grow without some measure of control. We call it Jerusalem peas here in Jamaica, or Christmas peas, but it's actually called Adzuki or Adzuki bean or red mung bean, botanically Vigna angularis. It is widely cultivated in East Asia, including China, Japan, Mongolia, North Korea, South Korea, and Taiwan, and also some places in the Himalayas. In Japanese culture, Adzuki bean are associated with good luck and are often used in ceremonial dishes. Health benefits to be derived from it include regulation of blood pressure as well as blood sugar, and the fibrous nature of the peas also aids in digestion. I have been using this little space to do some backyard gardening for many years, and I can say that it has basically invaded the space and can only assume that the seeds were dispersed by birds because I never planted them. Interestingly, I have never seen anybody cultivating it as an official crop like how you would plant bean or peas, and I have not seen it sold in the market, local market as well as the supermarket. Maybe I'm not looking. As I've stated before, I've tried to get rid of it on many occasions because I was using this space to plant some peas and sweet peppers at one point, and even bean. But as soon as I pluck up the seedlings and I felt that I had covered all the bases, I would see new seedlings appear, and it remained that way until I eventually stopped planting, and that is why it has taken over. Let me also add that this area has been sprayed with herbicides on a few occasions, and this has not stopped it from growing. And this is how I've come to realize that the seeds can remain dormant for an extended period of time, and when the environmental conditions are favorable, they will germinate. Christmas is only a few weeks away from us. Based on what I'm seeing here, they'll be ready by that time. And I think this is the reason why it is called Christmas peas, because it comes in annually around this time of the year. I would never use it to cook Christmas dinner though, because when I am eating rice and peas, I need to feel like I'm eating rice and peas. When you combine it with rice, it's almost as if it gets lost because the grains are so small. If you prepare it, you can let me know, and if you really enjoy it, but I don't really like it like that, and that's why I've even made attempts to get rid of it, because I don't really enjoy preparing it. If you have watched the feature up to this point, thank you so much. Please continue to support the channel by leaving your comments, sharing and liking the feature. And I'd really appreciate your subscription if you have not yet joined the Virtual Gardening 101 family. You can learn a lot more from my social media pages as well.